Do you like dirt? Do you like speed? Do you like speeding through dirt? Then my friend, you might just be a Baja Buddy. And here are 3 trucks that will allow you to scratch that itch. First, starting off with the Bronco Raptor. $74,000 will get you 418 horsepower, 440 foot-pounds of torque from a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 dual fidget spinners. That's awesome. It will get you to 0 to 60, not in dirt, but 6.6 seconds. That's amazing. This thing's like Chunky Boy. This all comes from a 10-speed automatic. I just think that's nuts because I remember like 6 speeds, like damn. Next we have the Silverado ZR2 at $45,000. A little bit less expensive. Still an awesome machine. You get a little bit less horsepower at 308 horsepower, 373 foot-pounds of torque from a naturally aspirated 3.6 liter V6, the 8-speed automatic. And it will scoot you to 60 in 7.1 seconds. Next we have the Jeep Gladiator Mojave at $54,000. It has the least amount of power on here. 285 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque, 6-speed manual transmission, not automatic, gets you to 60 in 8.1 seconds. Kind of slow. But this comes from a 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6. I mean, the fact of just rolling through the gears as you're plowing through the path, it's gotta be fun. You know, whatever trail you're going on, it's gonna be fun. I love the Bronco Raptor. Yes, it has the most horsepower. Yes, it has the smallest displacement, but it has those cool fidget spinners. And it's just a cool looking truck.